towards left, there's Patkai College, and if you go Diet Cokes and some Pepsis, please wear your seatbelts. Mau mencoba, I don't know, but see, what is this? Oh, it's lots of mosquitoes. Hello, brother. Whoa, whoa. Shaking my coffee. Chips covers or any kind of plastics, please carry it back home. I think it is 20 to 25 kilometers away from my home, but yes, a day well spent. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well and good. And yes, I was not making vlog or any kind of content, or I was not uploading videos because I was pretty much busy with some kind of work and all these things, but I'm glad that I'm back again, and I hope and I believe I'll be able to upload and share lots of contents and all this stuff. And yes, today I thought of making a vlog, and it started raining here. I'm planning to go to a place. I'm going all alone, so I hope the video will be interesting. I will show you where I am going, and it's raining. I don't know it's a good idea or not, but it's kind of gonna be risky, but yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. And yes, today I'm gonna shoot my videos through my GoPro. I want to see how I haven't been using this for a while, so I want to see how the videos will come out. So yep, it's gonna be interesting, guys. We are moving on right now. We are going towards Medzifema. So this video is gonna be kind of like little bit adventurous, because it's raining, and top of that I'm going to a place where it's like little bit adventure. I hope you guys will like it. So it's Sunday, so I don't have my work today, so I just thought I should go visit this place. Monday to Saturday we used to work, so थोड़ा सा तो adventure भी होता है भाई. We'll get something to eat, maybe some chips or some energy drinks. We got something from the shop, some chips and some Diet Cokes and some Pepsis. And yes guys, one more friendly reminder and advice to all the people who drives: please wear your seatbelts. Before I forgot to put it on, but this, please don't forget to wear your seatbelts. It's for our own safety. So yes, safety first, always. It's Patkai Bridge. So if you go towards left, there's Patkai College, and if you go towards right, that's towards Kohima Highway. Kohima, and that side is closed. The road is closed. So let's go. Mau Medzifema, Kohima, Impal. Oh my gosh! Woo! कच्चा रास्ता है, कच्चा है. गाड़ी ना टूट जाए, थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. A little bit scared. I'll show you something, guys. This is this river. I don't know the name. If somebody knows, please let me know. Okay. Just look at the place, guys. It's very cool. So cool. Woo! And it's raining, and I wore a white shoe. Wow. This is so cool. Man, just look at this. Woo! I parked my car there. Hello. See the clouds? Wow. Worth it. This is not the final destination yet, but maza aega. Yo, the place where I'm going, कार अंदर नहीं जा सकता है, तो I kept my car, my princess there. रास्ता थोड़ा खराब है, तो let's go, baby. We came here to a river stream side, a little bit like, you know, थोड़ा छोटा सा नदी है. I should not go when it's raining, but like I just don't like. जाऊँगा. So good. The water is dirty because of the rain, but I hope. Damn! Wow! Woo! Woo! And मैंने लगाया है जूता. वाह बेटा वाह! Dang! Woo! Shit! Oh! Jeez! Very good. Oh, the water is kind of big. Whoa! Yeah. The weather, it's like kind of, it's not raining heavily, but it's drizzling. But I'm sure I will get sick, or I hope I don't get sick. I don't get sick. Both sides there's a stream. There's a small house. Hut, I mean not a house. Oh, scary, man. Scary. Damn. I hope. Dang. Hey, कहाँ पहुँच गया? Where am I? Bro, where am I? Shit. Teacher. Hey, my white shoe. Wow. आज मेरा शू का ऐसी की तैसी. So there is a house. Let's go from here. Let's go. Jungle में मंगल. Oh, it's a rubber farm. There's a rubber farm here. Oh. You know, I'm like walking in a thick this thing. Just scared that like there will be snakes. I'm scared of snake. Go. I wanna go there. Bro. Damn. Yo. Come on, man. Come on. From where do I go? New places be like. What if I can't cross this river after I go there? Wait. Woo. It's kind of slippery. Ram! Come on, man. I have to be very much careful because the water is kind of I think I will not go further outside because it's kind of like risky. It's raining and it's mountain area, so we never know when the water level will rise. So I'll just stay back here. You know, it's a good place actually. Woohoo! Man, what is this idea, bro? What is this? There's a river here, and there is. What is this? Lots of mosquitoes. Cool, right? So guys, this is the place I wanted to visit. You know, I usually come, but like, you know, I wanted to visit again. So yep, it's not a very special or a picnic spot or something, but you know, it's It's a good area to chill out, relax your mind, and if you are a person who loves rivers, if you're a person who loves trekking, visit this streams. Oh sure, there's something like, I don't know, there's a river and like they have did something, I don't know for what purpose, but let's see. Let's see and see. Whoa, what is this? What is this? This looks cool. This looks cool. Let's go, boy. Wow. This looks nice. See? So nice. Where does it goes? Where? What is this? Oh. Okay, there's a paddy field out there. So they're taking this, like they made this nala to supply water. Nice idea. So I will just stay here for a while, you know, maybe for some nothing not to do. I can't even swim because like the water is kind of dirty here. So maybe I will just, one thing we can do is we can fetch some crabs. Yep, I will show you. Wait a minute, there's some kind of a fruit. Just wait. There might be leeches also, right? What is this fruit? I don't know, but see, what is this? Kind of like, shall I edit? Just kidding, I should not take risks, but there's a lot. See, there's a lot. Yeah. Woo! Perfect. I love it. You know what? I was expecting this will happen. You know? I will show you something. See. Hello, brother. Hello. What's up, nigga? Oh my holy. Damn. Woo. Hello. Welcome to the vlog, brothers. Welcome. Leeches! Ah! I will try making a fire. Burn up a fire. Juice जलाएंगा और देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. Damn, lots of leeches, man. Here's another one. Leeches. Bro, what did I do? Damn. It's all भीगा हुआ है. कैसे जलेगा? Let's find खोड़ी उड़ी. जुई नहीं जला पाएगा आज. I don't think I can make a fire because it's raining. It's raining. Since I can make the fire, छोड़ देगा. It's better not to. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. Breaking my heart, shaking my confidence daily. To नहीं है. I don't see any character. Yo, where are you? Where's my crap? I came so far, you know, to enjoy. Workout थोड़ा मौज मस्ती तो बनता है भाई. Yo, it was fun here. It was the best time spent, you know, like woo. So I think since it's raining, water level is also coming up a little bit. I will be going, but best day. Hi guys. You know, I will also give a small advice to the people, not an advice, but maybe a request to people who comes for trekking or for enjoyment like this. Whenever you bring some kind of edible stuff which are packed in plastics, like chips and all, chips covers or any kind of plastics, please carry it back home. You know, like you can pick it up in a plastic bag and dispose where it's supposed to be, because nature, it's so beautiful, you know. So let's not pollute our nature, motherland, and yes, keep nature clean, bros. Woo, it was a good day. Yep, we're heading back home, and it's always good to, you know, explore things. You are a fitness trainer, it doesn't mean that you don't have to, you know, enjoy your life. Sometimes take out your time, go out with your friends, and you know, visit places like this, explore. You know, it's good to explore new things. For me, it was the best day. It was a good day for me. You know, obviously it was raining, but still then the rain make it a bit more interesting. So I liked it. Well, they worth it. I came 20 kilometers. I think it is 20 to 25 kilometers away from my home, but yes, a day well spent. Hey guys, we're heading back home. I literally had so much fun today. You know, it was good, you know, coming here, going to the stream and, you know, have some fun. So it's always good to go out sometimes, even if you're busy, even if you are like, you know, you have a tight schedule. Go out with your friends, your families, your loved ones. Go out to the nature. If you're a nature loving person, go out to some mountains, you know. So I had fun. I hope you guys also will like this video, and if you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share as much as you can. Please support my channel, share as much as you can, you know, like your one share and your one subscribe matters a lot. So yes, please like and subscribe and enjoy watching my videos. I'll be posting more videos in the coming days, so thank you so much guys. Stay tuned. Bye.